Hello, Mr. Geisler here, and we're going to look at how to factor this expression. The first thing I'm going to notice is that there's only two terms and I'm subtracting them. That's called a difference. I'll also notice that both of these are perfect squares, so we call this a difference of squares. The way I know it's a perfect square is because if I take the square root of the first term, I'm going to get 4x because 4x times 4x is equal to 4x squared. And I know the second one is a perfect square because if I do the square root of 49, that's 7, which means 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So if you have a difference of squares, you can factor this by setting up two sets of parentheses, and you put one as a plus, one as a minus. Then you do the square root of whatever the first term is, and that goes first. And then you do the square root of whatever the second term is, and that goes second. And that is what it looks like when it's factored. Now, the only thing you have to be a little bit careful about here is this is only true if this is a difference of squares. In other words, as long as we're subtracting. If I had 4x squared plus 49, that is not factorable, because it's not a difference of squares, it would be a sum of squares.